Hey everybody, my name is Aaron, and with the help of my family, we run a small business out of our garage called Glacier View Custom Craft, where we make things like this clock, as well as many other furniture and home decor items. And this is actually our 150th small Alaska clock that we've made. And thanks to people like you who have been following our page, following our business, and maybe even purchased one of our clocks, we've been able to continue in business, so we're excited for that. The reason why we're starting our YouTube page here is we want to share with you guys some of the things that we've learned over the years of starting a small business. And so we're going to be sharing more videos of that to come. So stay tuned for those things. But today's video, we're going to show you how we put together this clock. Over the next 5 minutes, you're going to see a quick process of what takes us almost 2 hours to complete. And so we're excited to share that with you guys today. Hey everyone, if you like that video, we have more videos like that in the works. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification to be notified when we post new videos. Thanks for watching.